Good morning guys. Magluluto tayo ngayon guys ng yung leftover natin na bangus guys. Ito go. Hinimas na guys, nilagyan na. Iwalay na guys. So nilagyan natin ng itlog guys. So lulutuin natin to guys. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako guys magluto ng egg with bangus. Yan guys. Ihatid na lang luto natin yan guys yan. 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 Guys, luto na siya guys. Bangus with egg yan guys. Ayan guys, luto na po guys ang leftover na bangus. Nilagyan natin ng itlog. Ayan guys, kita nyo na guys. Luto na siya. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Follow for more.